Ever wondered how to identify a good quality olive oil? Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is revered by chefs and food lovers alike for its versatility and numerous health benefits. It's a staple in kitchens across the globe, adding depth and richness to a wide variety of dishes. But not all olive oils are created equal. The quality can vary greatly, and unfortunately, so can the authenticity. It's a sad truth that there are many counterfeit or low-grade oils out there masquerading as the good stuff. This is why knowing how to distinguish between good and poor quality olive oil is so important. It's not just about getting your money's worth, but also about reaping the full health benefits and flavor profiles that a quality olive oil can provide. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently select high-quality olive oil. First things first, understanding the label. Let's start with extra virgin. This is the highest quality you can get. It means the oil is unrefined, not treated with chemicals or altered by temperature. Cold-pressed, another term you might see, refers to the method of extraction. The olives are pressed to extract the oil, but no heat is used. The lack of heat keeps the oil's flavor and nutritional value intact. Now, what about pure or light olive oil? These labels can be a bit misleading. Pure doesn't necessarily mean it's of high quality. It just means the oil is purely olive oil. Light, on the other hand, does not refer to the calorie content, but to the color and flavor. Light olive oils are usually more processed, which could mean a compromise on quality. Remember, not all labels tell the whole story. Let's dig deeper. Next, look for the harvest date. Now this might seem trivial, but it's actually a key piece of the puzzle. You see, unlike a fine bottle of Bordeaux or a vintage cheddar, olive oil doesn't get better with age. In fact, it's quite the opposite. The quality of olive oil diminishes over time, losing its vibrant flavor and health benefits. It's a ticking clock from the moment those olives are plucked from the tree. That's why it's crucial to check the harvest date on the bottle. A recent harvest date is a good indicator of quality. Ideally, you're looking for a date within the last 18 months. Any longer than that, and you risk having an oil that's past its prime, lacking the freshness and flavor you're after. Remember, olive oil isn't like a fine wine. It doesn't improve with age. So in the world of olive oil, fresher is definitely better. So the fresher the olive oil, the better. Now, let's talk about price. You see, when it comes to olive oil, the old adage rings true. You get what you pay for. High-quality olive oil is a product of labor-intensive extraction processes. Each olive is hand-picked at the peak of its ripeness and meticulously pressed to extract the precious oil. This attention to detail doesn't come cheap, but before you balk at the price, consider this. The true essence of olive oil lies in its quality. A bottle of high-quality olive oil is a culinary investment, a ticket to a world of rich flavors and sumptuous textures. However, a word of caution: be wary of prices that seem too good to be true. Bargain-priced olive oil might not provide the quality you're expecting. It may lack the freshness, the aroma, the flavor that sets a good olive oil apart. So when you're standing in the grocery aisle, remember, quality often comes at a price. In the world of olive oil, you often get what you pay for. Finally, the taste test. This is the moment of truth. The taste of a good quality olive oil is a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate. Initially, you should be greeted with a fruity taste, a sign of fresh olives. This could be reminiscent of ripe tomatoes, artichokes, or even fresh-cut grass. Then comes the second act, a slight bitterness on the middle of your tongue. Don't be alarmed, this bitterness is a positive attribute. It indicates the presence of healthy polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that contribute to the oil's health benefits and longevity. The finale is a pungent or peppery sensation that hits the back of your throat. This might make you cough a little, but it's a good sign. This pungency is another indication of the high antioxidant content in the oil. So there you have it. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to choose a high-quality olive oil. Happy tasting.